Imagine a world without organizations. No hospitals, no schools, no banks, no businesses. Every organization exists because people come together to achieve a common purpose. Hello learners, my name is Arjun. I am a virtual teacher of KK Academy. Welcome to today's session. But just a moment. Have you ever stopped to think about what truly keeps an organization alive? Is it the buildings, the technology, or the money? The answer may be closer than you think. Although organizations invest heavily in technology and infrastructure, their greatest strength has always been their people. Even the most advanced organization begins to struggle when talented employees leave. As lack of team or talent shortage, projects get slowed down, customers become dissatisfied, and business performance begins to fall. This is where human resource management becomes essential. It connects people, performance, and organizational goals. In simple terms, this powerful process is known as HRM.